Hey, and welcome back to Rev Limited. Today in the shop we're going to repair the bump stops in these KW-V3 coilovers. These are amazing coilovers, but the problem with this particular set is the bump stops at the top have deteriorated and fallen apart. These are apparently impossible to get, so I had to scour the internet and I found this polyurethane bump stock. That's the part number. They're the same outside diameter and the same height as the original piece, but the hole is just a little bit smaller. So what we're going to do is I got this 7/8 inch drill bit. The shaft size on the coilover is 22 millimeters, and you can either get a 22 millimeter drill bit or use a 7/8 unibit to ream this out. That's warm. So now to install these, we're going to first release the tension on the spring by lowering the lower perch. What is this called? Adjustment screw? Lower spring mount. We're going to release the tension on the lower spring mount, and then we will remove the top bolt and remove the top hat.
Alright, to put it all back together, we've got our new custom fitted upper bump stop. Slide it over the shaft of the coilover. Just got our upper mount in place. Right here is where the spring actually sits. If you miss that, it'll be off center and you'll have issues. Alright. To do this without using the spring compressor, we took this lower spring mount, this purple piece, we moved it all the way down, and that gave us a little room to take it apart. No stored energy on the spring, and no concerns over our health, because this is the nut that'll kill you. And that back down. This one comes with 2 half nuts. Run it over. And it's set. Now we'll take our lower spring mount, we'll run it back up based on measurements taken from another set that we've had, put them back in the car and be ready to go.
So there we go, new bump stops are installed, so let's put them back in the car. Got it. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment, and come back for more. Thanks.